Hello everyone, welcome to Fab Dentist. In this segment we are going to discuss local anesthesia doses. Means how we can calculate the safest dose of local anesthetic agent given to a person. So without getting delayed, let's get started. Local anesthesia doses in adult. There are some agents. We are going to calculate the dose in mg per cartridge, maximum doses in mg per kg and maximum dose in mg. We are taking two agents, that is 2% lidocaine and 2% lidocaine containing 1 lakh of epinephrine in it. Okay, so before discussing this, one should know some of the conversion, that is 1 lbs is equal to 0.454 kg and 1 kg is equal to 2.2 lbs. Now 1 cartridge is equal to 1.8 ml or cc. So 2% lidocaine is equal to, means 2 gram is present in 100 ml of solution, or 2000 mg of lidocaine present in 100 ml of local anesthetic solution, or 20 mg lidocaine present in 1 ml of the solution is equal to 20 mg per ml और cc. ठीक है. Now 20 mg present in 1 ml means what is the concentration present in 1.8 cartridge. ठीक है. So in our calculation we get it 36 mg per cartridge, means 2% lidocaine contain 36 mg lidocaine in a cartridge. ठीक है. It means 2% lidocaine contain 36 mg per cartridge and 2% lidocaine in 1 lakh of epinephrine also contain 36 mg per cartridge. Okay. Now what are the maximum doses in mg per kg? One should know that we are taking 70 kg, ठीक है, as the maximum weight. Okay, so 2% lidocaine contain 4.4 mg of local anesthetic agents into 70, what means is 300 mg is the maximum safest dose given to a person. And 2% lidocaine with epinephrine, we are going to take 7 mg per kg as a safest dose, which is multiplied into 70, which is our maximum weight of a person, is equal to 500 mg. Means 500 mg is the safest dose given to a person with 2% lidocaine containing epinephrine. Now some of the calculation, for example, how many mg of lidocaine 2% can be given to a person weight 52 kgs. So maximum dose of 2% lidocaine without epinephrine is 4.4 mg per kg and maximum dose of 2% lidocaine with epinephrine is 7 mg per kg. So for 2% lidocaine, mg per cartridge is 36 mg per cartridge. We have already calculated this value. Now 4.4 into 52 means 4.4 is the safest dose, which dose of local anesthetic agent with 2% lidocaine without epinephrine, as we have already discussed. ठीक है. तो 4.4 is multiplied into body weight, that is 52 kg, is equal to 228.8 mg per kg. Now we have to convert it into the cartridge. So 228.8 is equal to divided by 36 as 2% lidocaine. ठीक है. तो 2% lidocaine contain 36 mg per cartridge is equal to 6.3 mg per cartridge. So up to 6.3 mg per cartridge local anesthetic agent can be given to a person weight 52 kg. Thank you. Hope you liked it. Please do like and subscribe my video as it motivates me to make more videos.